Let's settle the age-old question. Are you actually getting more for your money when you splurge on premium products? Or is it all just hype? First, let's talk about materials. Often, the cheaper version uses lower quality ingredients or fabrics that wear out faster. You might save money upfront, but you'll be replacing it sooner. Check the labels. Look for durable, long-lasting materials, even if it means spending a bit more initially. Next, consider the ingredients. With food, for example, premium options often use better ingredients, leading to a better taste and potentially healthier options. Read the ingredient list and compare the source and processing. Are you paying for real ingredients or just clever marketing? Don't underestimate craftsmanship and durability. A well-made item, even if more expensive, can last significantly longer than a cheaply made alternative. This means less waste and more value over time. Look for signs of quality, like sturdy construction and attention to detail. Consider the overall experience. Sometimes, the premium price includes better customer service, warranty, or overall ease of use. Factor in these benefits when making your decision. A frustrating experience can negate any initial savings. Ultimately, the decision of whether a premium product is worth it depends on your individual needs and budget. Weigh the pros and cons, consider the long-term value, and make an informed choice that aligns with your priorities. Don't just blindly buy the most expensive, do your research.